We are on site, so not too bad here. It's just well, this will be the frost footing. Then I got two little retaining wall footings to dig here, but these are a little bit easier, bigger, more room. But then I'll start at that corner, dig back this way, and then you can go from there and dig over a little ways and then come here and finish it up. So at least you're not in between two concrete walls where it's kind of hard to get it all dug out. So these go a lot easier. And like I said, there's plenty of room over here than what there has in the past, but we will get the laser set up and get started. And I can't remember if I explained it in my last video that I did this on, but the reason they call these a frost footing is this is going to be a walkout basement. So these are going to be poured basement walls, but then this one's just it'll drop down. It's got to be 30 inches down from the top of that one, just for the frost and stuff like that here. But this will all just be a stick wall on the back side of here. So where these will be, you know, covered up, and then they'll have their retaining wall coming out here. So they'll all be backfilled and have several feet of fill on them. But then we got to get down below our frost line here. So that's why these end up, I guess they call them a frost footing. It's what this concrete guy calls them. So that's what the deal is with that. So these kind of drop down and they're dug in the ground deeper. And then when they frame the house and everything up, it'll meet codes. All right, got this one knocked out, so nice and rocky, just like they always are. Got the right there for the retaining walls, and then the footing dug in there. So I think they're on their way, and they're gonna try to get the rebar in here and get the concrete poured. We got rain back on the way again. But pick up my laser and head to the next one. I wasn't working too far from this job, so I thought I'd stop back by. They got it all wrapped up and done, and do kind of a quick update. So I don't know if it's looks the best how they just kind of got the riprap piled up a little bit high, but they did kind of get the grade cut down, and yeah, looks to be draining fairly well. That's the finished product on this job.